Ever want to know how to make a brisket but didn't know where to start? Here's how it's done.
I want to start off just patting down the meat with paper towel, remove the excess meat juice. Next, we want to trim the excess fat. We want to start off just kind of rounding out the meat so that the air can flow nicely around it while it's smoking. On the top here, we want to leave about a 1/4 inch fat layer to keep the juices in. Now that it's trimmed, let's coat it with a layer of mustard. Now that it's covered in mustard, we can add our seasoning. Season all over generously using Todd's brisket rub. Now we're ready to get cooking. We're gonna wanna cook for about 8 to 10 hours at about 275. Before we add the meat, we're gonna add a pan of water. Keep the brisket moist while it's cooking. After the brisket is cooked for about 3 hours, spritz it with some apple cider vinegar. You want to do this again about every 30 minutes. Keep doing that until the brisket has reached an internal temperature of about 165. It's going to hit a bit of a stall, so you want to take it out and wrap it in butcher paper. Now that it's wrapped, let's put it back in the grill, and we're going to leave it there until it's reached its final internal temperature of about 203 to 205. Now that it's cooked, let's transfer it to a cooler and wrap it in a towel. We're going to let it rest for at least 30 minutes before we slice it up. Let's cut this bad boy. We're going to cut the point and the flat in different directions. Now serve and enjoy.